Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my look. I did plan on doing this video at a different time, but my hair is in such bad condition I need to do it now. So if you've seen from the title of the video, we are going to be reviewing the Pureplex revolutionary hair repair system. So this is basically, guys, just the superdrug's dupe for olaplex. Now, I've had olaplex so many times, like lots of times in the salon. Generally, whenever I used to get my hair dyed, I would have olaplex, and this is probably the result of me not using it. Like, can you see the condition on my hair? It is absolutely awful. I have been multiple colours this last year, and it has resulted in me looking like this. So if I lift this up, you can see, look at all this snappage. Like, that is the underneath of my hair. Some of it is like, it is awful. It is to there, and my actual hair length is to here, and my actual hair length was down here. But it is awful. It is like straw as well. You can't really do anything with it. If I show you, it's all snapped, all broken off. Really, really bad for me. I used to have amazingly beautiful hair, and right now I've just got awful, awful, awful hair. This is a result of home dyeing. I went copper a couple of months ago and I home dyed myself. If you can afford to go to the salon, guys, go to the salon. But this is a result of me dyeing my hair like every week. So enough of that. So I seen this and I thought, why not give it a try for $12.99. I haven't got nothing to lose. So let me show you what is in the box. So within the box you have the instructions, and you literally have the contents of the box, which is pretty self-explanatory. Now, most people that I've seen who have used this have said that you will get 2 turns out of this. So my plan is to do this now, leave it a week. The Pureplex have actually got a range of hair dyes also. So I'm going to use the Pureplex hair dye in the colour rich golden brown. I'm going to go all brown, get rid of the ombre, go all brown all over, and hope for the best. Leave it and hope I can repair my hair. So it's pretty self-explanatory what was in the box. So literally you use the clarifying shampoo first, then you use the number 2, which is the bond protecting treatment, then you use number 3, which is the bond restructuring treatment, and then you use number 4, which is the conditioner. Now, that's what's in the box, guys. You literally follow that exact step, which I am going to do now, and I will come back and show you what my hair looks like after I've done it. Or do you want to come with me? Should I take you with me? You're gonna have to bear with me though, because I am like, woo! I've got my shorts on, I got my jammies on. So yeah, okay, let's do this. Clarifying shampoo, guys. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way just so you can see. Otherwise I would probably go in the shower, obviously. It's a really thick shampoo. It does feel really drying on the hair, but I have read reviews about that, so I'm not worried about that too much. Step 1 complete. Now it says to towel dry your hair, which I am going to do, and then I'm going to start with number 2, part 2. Right guys, I've literally just towel dried my hair now, and it just says to evenly distribute number 2 all over your hair. Massage it in, leave it for 5 minutes. Don't rinse it off. Literally just towel dry the excess off, and then you can apply part 3. So we're just putting this on, massaging it in, leaving it for 5 minutes, towel drying it off, putting on part 3. Right guys, I'm not going to do this in any particular way, I'm just going to start doing it. If you just use the nozzle, you can push it through your hair like this. Make sure it goes on everywhere. I'm going to concentrate on the ends, guys, just because that's where my hair is really badly damaged. So I'm going to make sure I've got a lot of product at the bottom. But if this works, guys, it is so much cheaper than olaplex. You're talking like there's like £100 in the difference of price. Maybe a bit more than 100 actually. Make sure you massage that in, guys. Massagey. I've just massaged it all in now, guys. I'm going to leave that for 5 minutes. Right, okay, 5 minutes has now passed. I'm going to just literally towel dry my hair like it said to do. Just to remove any excess of the bonding. I'm going to add part 3. So you do the same thing with this again, guys. You just add it evenly. Then you massage it in gently, but you leave this for 15 minutes. So in that 15 minutes, I'm going to go have my tea. Smells like apricots. Smells lovely. I like this. I like it a lot. I'm praying it's going to be like some sort of miracle to my hair. I'm actually debating about letting Ricky cut a bit of my hair as well, once I've washed it. What do you think? Would you trust your other halves to cut your hair? Trust him. That's the worst he can do. It's bloody terrible anyway. It's quite a lot in here, guys. You could probably, if you had short hair, you'd definitely get like 3 goes out of this one box. So that would be 3 dupe olaplex treatments for £12, well £12.99. So that's an absolute bargain. Even if you go to the salon and have a basic treatment, it's £20, and that's like in a cheap salon. So I think that's well worth it. I'll even get 2 out of it, because even though I've got quite long hair, well, I haven't anymore, I've got like medium length hair, but it's thin. So concentrating on underneath as well, because that's where like all my hair's snapped off. And there we go. I'm going to leave that now for 15 minutes. I'll be back. I'll be using part 4, and then we'll see what happens. Right, okay, it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to get it off my hair. Going to do stage 4, which is the conditioner, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I just rinsed off number 3. Now I'm going to put in number 4 and comb it through my hair after I've towel dried. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to try and keep half the pack, so I've got another application. Shouldn't be too hard actually, because my hair's thin, as I've said. Sorry if you can hear the chipmunks in the back. Well guys, at least I can get a brush through my hair. I'm going to leave that for a minute. I'm sitting here like a lemon, and now it's time to wash it off. And I'm going to get Ricky to give me a little bit of a trim, and then I'm going to dry it, and then you can see what it's like. That is that. So I'm going to go downstairs now and get Ricky to give me a top. But as you can see guys, right, it's really easy and simple to do. Takes no time at all also. So it's well worth it. If it's helped, it will actually be really well worth it. So let's go and have a trim and dry it. I'm sitting here waiting for my chop. Ricky's going to cut my hair for me. I'll just make it straight and nice.
Straight and nice?
Yeah. You're not giving me confidence here. You don't seem like you know what you're doing.
I fucking don't.
Well, it can't be that hard. Try.
Can't be that hard. If it was that easy, I'd be cutting your hair all the time, wouldn't I? And you would be paying 70, 80 quid.
Well, I might not be paying 70 quid if you do a good job this time. If you want to save some money.
You just cut a straight line across the bottom of it.
When it looks good, yeah.
Yeah, but how much do I take off? That much?
I don't know. Whatever you think. Right, do it good now.
Oh, I'm just going to cut the corset out.
That sounds like quite a lot.
It's quite a lot.
The scissors don't so much pop.
It's not. It's crap.
Right, okay. I've cut this side now. Looks a little bit more even than that side. Don't ask a man, just do it yourself. You're gonna be Zara long hair no more. There's gonna be some people sitting at home now like, oh my god, what is she doing? Now, let's get it dry. Well guys, this is a result, well this is my after cut, since I've just blow dried it, and this is a result after me blow drying it. I am going to run the straighteners over it now, and then I'm going to take a final picture. But what do you think? My hair feels really, really thick, but I think that's obviously because I've cut it as well, and it's all like one length now. Up here, it is so shiny, can you see? Oh, hello baby, shine, shine, shine. That's what I need. I needed a good cut. Probably have extensions soon though. I can see it already. Lockdown sends us mental. Hey guys, this is the finishing result now. As you can see, I've cut quite a bit off. Well, Ricky had to try, and then I had to rectify his mistakes. So hopefully it's going to grow even better now, but I can tell you already it feels so much healthier, so much thicker. I can't wait to do the next treatment. I bought the Pureplex hair dye in the colour rich golden brown, which you're supposed to do the Pureplex this week, then do the hair dye next week, and then follow on with a Pureplex treatment the week after. I'm not quite sure whether I am going to dye my hair now, because I don't actually mind the colour now that it's a bit shorter and all the dead's gone. So I actually think it looks a bit fresh now, and it looks quite nice. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I should dye it darker. It'll probably be like the colour of my roots, so it'll be all one colour. Let me know what you think. But with regards to this review, I think it's really, really good. Well worth $12.99. I'd say go and buy it. Give it a try. If you can't afford olaplex, it's definitely worth the money. Well, this is like £100 cheaper. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon for another one. Bye guys.